Okay, so we are asked to multiply these two rationals. Okay, rational means fraction. And so it's multiplication, so I don't need to flip the divisor. And I'm looking, and there are no common factors. And so when that happens, that usually means you need a factor. So let's think of 2x plus 2. How does that factor? X plus 1, x minus 1. You know, the type of factoring you're thinking about is a trinomial. This is a binomial, so you can't use that method. So usually you just do GCF, right? So what is the GCF of 2x plus 2? 2 and 6.
I got 2 and then so I got x plus.
See, 2 is 2 and 1. That's 2 and 1. What do they have in common? Yeah, I usually don't circle the 1s, okay, because you can circle 1 all day. So you're left. So you have a 2 that comes out. They both have a 2, basically, is what that means. Leaving, there's an x here, right? Leaving 1x plus 1. Correct? So this one becomes 2x plus 1. Now, 6 minus 2x. Before you factor, it is always a good idea to put it in standard form. So that'd be negative 2x plus 6. Right? And we have done this before, it has been a while, but the GCF here is, what's the biggest number that goes into 2 and 6? 2. But I'm going to factor out a negative 2 because I don't like negative leading coefficients when I factor. Okay? So negative 2 times what is negative 2x would be x, right? And negative 2 times what is plus 6 would be minus 3. Okay? And so I have this became 2x plus 1. 6 minus 2x becomes negative 2x minus 3. Three x minus 9. What's the GCF there? 3. Leaving x minus 3. And then 3x plus 8. What's the biggest number that goes into 3 and 8? 1. So that cannot factor. So that's just 3x plus 8. All right. What are my common factors to divide out? X minus 3. That was it. Right? So how can I simplify this? Should I distribute? I wouldn't. Okay. What I could do is multiply 2 times negative 2, which is negative 4, and just leave that as x plus 1. Okay. Now, if you choose to distribute at this point, that's fine. If you really want to, I usually just leave it alone. Okay. And then on top, we're left with 3x plus 8. And again, if you wanted to distribute that and make that 9x plus 24, that's really the same answer. Okay. Just like if you wanted to make this negative 4x minus 4, you could. But I'm okay with this, okay?